Well, this is a first for me. Don't actually own, up until now, a flame licker, or vacuum engine as some people call them. But just recently, I'll say recently over the last few months or so, my friend in the States, Stuart, he's been sending me videos of a few flame lickers that he's recently acquired through various different sources. And I've been fascinated by these things. They just, when they run, they sound, certainly the ones he's got anyway, sound fantastic. One of the engines that he had was one of these. Now this is a Chinese made engine. It didn't come from Banggood and it didn't come from eBay. The website I got this from is called enginediy.com, and I'll put a link in the description to that website. Now it's a very nice looking engine. It's not badly made. I wouldn't put the quality of the workmanship as high as the hit and miss engines. I think the quality of the workmanship on the Banggood hit and miss engines is very, very good. This is not quite there. It's not bad at all, but there are some strange things on it. Like, for example, this is the fuel tank. It's where you put your meths in, and there's a stopper here, but it's just a hole with a bung that is a very sloppy fit in the hole. So what I might do is there's a reasonable amount of metal on this tank here. I might find a tap that is suitable for that hole, tap it out and make up a little brass threaded plug with a hole in it for the fuel tank. And it's like things like these brackets that hold the tank. They're not lined up properly, and it's not quite on the same level. But it's a nice engine. It's still a nice looking engine, and I've seen video of the one that my friend Stuart's got running, and it's a lovely thing when it runs. You get a little toolkit with some spares. There's a spare wick, a couple of spare plates which are the cover plates for the hole where the actual intake for the flame is, and a couple of Allen keys. So it comes quite well appointed. But yeah, it's a nice looking engine. So we'll get it oiled up and we'll see if we can get it running. Well, the mess burner is light. I don't know whether you can see that. I'll put my hand behind it. I see. So let's see what happens. It works. First flick. That's amazing. I had no idea how close you need to position this or. But it does run. Not actually running at a constant speed. Maybe I need some sort of adjustment somewhere, but it is running. Yeah, well, at least it runs. I think there's obviously something that needs adjusted somewhere. Ah, that seems better. Look at that. There we go. It's obviously a matter of positioning the flame at the correct place. Well, it was certainly a lot less hassle to get running than the hit and miss engines were. Although saying that, there's still something not quite right about it. I think I'm going to have to play around and tweak it a bit. But, well, it is actually running after a fashion. So yeah, I'm not quite happy with it. I think I'm going to have to play and tweak. Anyway, there you go. Chinese hit and miss engine from DIYengine.com. First run. Hope you enjoyed the little video. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.